Welcome to Linguistic Class. Today we are going to talk about linguistics, but you need to know what linguistic is. Linguistics is the science that the study of language, but also the system of human communication. Linguistics as a science has many branches, for example, phonetics, semantics, syntax, phonology, and social linguistics. Today, we are going to develop social linguistics, that is the study how society affects language or how the language is used in society. So, let me see some definition of society, social linguistics. Social linguistics is centered of the speech community. Let's see a video from
One of the most difficult theoretical issues in linguistics is to distinguish between language and dialect or language and varieties. At first sight, there may be no problem at all. If two people speak differently, there seem to be only two possibilities. If they understand each other, they must speak varieties of the same language. If not, they can be said to speak different languages. But is it really that simple? Probably not, and this defines our program.
A speech community is a group of people who share some set of social linguistic norms. They can be distinguished by minor phonetic differences in pronunciation or differences in grammatical structure. So you can see the examples of the word cat and cat. In some parts of eastern of the United States, those words contain two different phonemes, but in Canada and most of the western of the United States, they are homophones. So you can distinguish the differences of the variety of the same language. So
it's over.
True friends want a booty?
You got it!
I can't believe it. This has always been my dream.
Well, get ready, darling, because tomorrow night, live via satellite, that dream's coming true.
That's a bobsled. Oh, so a bobsled is a push cart with no wheel.
as a result, communities show up preferences for particular morphemes or words. So they produce a systematic difference between varieties. Those varieties are considered two types of dialects. Dialect shows systematic linguistic distinction from other variety, and it is spoken by a socially subgroup or some large speech community.
It's over.
True friends want a booty?
You got it!
I can't believe it. This has always been my dream.
Well, get ready, darling, because tomorrow night, live via satellite, that dream's coming true.
These two snakes look very different, but in fact, they're the same. They're Bernese pythons, and they're non-venomous. But one, only one, has a genetic trait that makes it white. In the wild, you have to be careful because some harmless snakes can have a look-alike that's...
Okie doke, Harry. If you can copy, I live in the western part of North Carolina, a little place called Robbinsville, NC. And
in the morning, I'm making waffles.
I hope that this video helped you to understand better linguistic class. I am Professor Betsy, and this was my first video. Thanks.